We begin with news that up to news time this evening, the narcotics police were still counting the massive seizure of US and Canadian dollars from yesterday's anti-narcotics operation in Montego Bay, St. James. The money was discovered at a house in Coral Gardens. Videos of the find have been making the rounds on social media. Head of the Area 1 Police, ACP Clifford Chambers, provided details on the operation in this audio clip released by the JCF.
Operation comprised members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force under the leadership of the Narcotics Division with military support, conducted an operation in the Coral Gardens community of St. James, which led to the interception of a vehicle in which cocaine weighing about 11 kilograms with a street value of $88 million was found. The premises where the vehicle was intercepted was searched, and cash in US and Canadian currency amounting to millions was recovered, which investigators advise will take some time to be counted.
Now, he says 2 persons have so far been arrested.
Who was the subject of a drug extradition request from the US in 2005 is being sought. The operation has been extended to other parishes to include Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, and at one such location, a quantity of ganja was seized and an arrest made. A high-level investigation is now in train, which extend beyond the shores of Jamaica.